Hello, my name is Zaki. I teach English. I have two teaching English certificates. TESOL, which is short for Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages from Arizona State University, the United States. TEFL, Teaching English as a Foreign Language from Teacher Record, China. I speak English with American accent. My lessons are customized based on your needs and interests. I can teach you the American accent and IPA system, which is International Phonetic Alphabet, which will help you to read any word within a dictionary. The phonetic symbols are a very useful tool to help you read any word, even if it's the first time to read it. I can teach you grammar. Also, you can take just conversation classes and I can answer you, of course. I can help you write better essays, emails, letters, paragraphs. I can help you to figure out your mistakes and know the differences between the subject, the verb and object, noun phrase, and lots of English grammatical items. I will help you to understand the grammar, not to memorize. I can help you achieve Band 7 in IELTS exam or higher based on your level. I also can teach you business English. So what are you waiting for? Let's start your journey to learning better English.